Planning for a hiking trip? Bracing for the thrill of the summit, the serenity of the wilderness, the challenge of the trail? Excellent. But every seasoned hiker knows preparation is key. Today, we delve into the top 5 tips to ensure your hiking adventure is as enjoyable as it is memorable. Tip 1. Know your trail. Every trail has its own unique terrain, difficulty level, and potential hazards. Researching ahead of time allows you to choose a trail that matches your fitness level and hiking experience. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Tip 2. Dress for success. Out there in the great outdoors, your clothing is your first line of defense against the elements. Always opt for moisture-wicking fabrics and layered clothing, allowing you to add or shed layers as needed. And never underestimate the importance of a good pair of hiking boots. Tip 3. Pack smart, not hard. A well-packed backpack can make or break your hiking experience. Prioritize essential items like water, food, navigation tools, first aid kit, and weather-appropriate gear. But remember, every extra ounce counts when you're climbing up that steep hill. Tip 4. Keep track of time. The wilderness doesn't have streetlights. Start your hike early in the day and always aim to finish before dusk. This gives you plenty of daylight to enjoy the views and safely navigate your way back. Tip 5. Leave no trace. The great outdoors is a shared space, a treasure that we all have a responsibility to protect. Always adhere to leave no trace principles. Pack out what you pack in, stay on designated trails, and respect wildlife. In summary, preparation is the cornerstone of a successful hiking adventure. Know your trail, dress appropriately, pack smart, keep an eye on the time, and always leave no trace. These 5 tips not only ensure a memorable hiking experience, but also help preserve the beauty of the great outdoors for future generations. So, are you ready to lace up those boots and hit the trails? Remember, every hiking adventure is a story waiting to be told, and with these tips in your arsenal, it's bound to be a story worth telling. Happy hiking!